Hey, this is Nate from Web 801, where we turn brochure websites into sales machines. Today I'm going to do a recording, just an analysis of my YouTube channel, where it's starting, kind of the direction I'm going, and how I hope you can contribute. So I'm looking at my YouTube channel here. My LLC is still called Moller Marketing, which is what I named it when I first started back in 2006. And since then, I've done a rebrand about a year and a half, 2 years ago to Web 801. Just easier to spell, easier to remember, brandable. People can pronounce Web 801 better than Moller or Mahler or Miller or whatever marketing. So Web 801 is our new brand. So as you can see here, I have some YouTube art that needs to be replaced. I have a logo or a little picture of myself and my wife. I'm going to keep my brand name for my channel as Nate Moller instead of Web 801, partly because I love Noah Kagan and his whole strategy with YouTube, and I want to emulate that. So hopefully, Noah, if you watch this, thanks for all your influence. So I may change my icon there, but I'm going to clean up my YouTube channel overall. I mean, you can see I only have a few videos. In fact, let's just count them to make sure. I mean, I have one video for my parents' 50th wedding anniversary. I have one other video that's got 18,000 views of how to fix a shower drain. Most of the other videos are about the topics that I'll be talking about, which are digital marketing, websites, conversion optimization, and specifically focusing on the niche of barbershops. I do a lot of scheduling applications for websites where I turn the website into a functional employee, not just a brochure that sits there and collects dust and costs money. I want the website to make money for the client, and I want to see or help the client see a return on that investment. So I'll be talking a lot about that in relation to barbershops and how we can help barbershops improve their online presence and use their website better than most of them are right now. So right now, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it looks like I have 25 videos right now, 25 live videos. So, the oldest one is 6 years old. If I sort by popularity, the most popular one is the one that has nothing to do with the topic I'm going to go over, but I may move that to a different channel and see what happens. I do have like how to do a refund in Stripe, which has some pretty good traction. Sumo Me, there you go again, Noah. That was a long time ago, but that's one I did for a client. And some WooCommerce tutorials, and then others, they're just small. Other things that we'll look at, just to break this down, I'm going to go to my studio and look at some of the current subscribers. This is one I really wanted to focus on. 20 current subscribers. So it's basically just getting started. Let's see, channel analytics, we'll look at that. So 674 views in the last 28 days, 9.5 watch time hours. Let's just see all time. So lifetime, I have 31,000 views, 581 watch time hours, and 20 subscribers. I don't know what this means. So that's just a note. So you can see it looks like I started in May of 2015 and a little bit of traction, but no big spikes, nothing really, just kind of steady, a lot of nothing. This video has a lot, so that's going to hurt my views and probably watch time. It's really a YouTube short because it's less than a minute. So that's important to note. Let's look at analytics. Let's look at engagement. Well, let's just look at reach first. Reach. You can see my traffic source types. Primarily, it's external. So 51% of my traffic is external. 32% is YouTube search. Only 10% is suggested videos. And then there's some others that trail off. It looks like traffic source external. My biggest one is Google search. So most likely people are looking for how to fix that drain, and they're finding my video in the search metrics, so that's good. DuckDuckGo, this shows some other things. There you go. How to remove a grouted shower drain. That's the biggest search that people are looking for, and all those are related to drains, except how to do a refund transaction. Stripe is sort of there. And there, again, there's YouTube search. And this is all good to look at. Okay, comments. I have very few comments. I'm just going to close some of these. A lot of the comments are not really relevant to the new channel. So as you can see, I have a lot of work to do on this channel. I'm going to change the channel art. I'm going to focus on the niche, and I'm going to get consistent at posting videos. I actually watched a video the other day from Louise. Let me show you this one. YouTube, let's do the 30-day YouTube challenge. And this one, how I posted 30 videos in 30 days. That was a YouTube challenge that I saw. So I'm going to actually follow that, where I'm going to do 30 videos in 30 days. Honestly, I may do some of them in batches, where I do like maybe 3 in one day and then spread them out. But I'm going to start posting 30 videos over the next 30 days, and we're going to watch that as well. So I'm excited. Thanks for watching this today. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you like this, and I hope you can be part of the Nate Moller community. Talk to you soon.